All right, so welcome to another video. Today we're going to take a look at Costco and do some technical analysis on it. Keep in mind, none of these are recommendations to buy, sell, or trade anything. It's just my own personal opinion. And if you want to grab my opinion, you can do that on our website. Just go to tradersfly.com. You can check out some of the classes we've got there and sign up to our newsletter list by clicking the freebies. You can also go into the Discord server, and that's basically like a chat room where I also answer some questions. We talk about stock movers and much more. Okay, so let's kick things off and let's just do a technical analysis here on Costco. Overall, we're looking at the stock. They say that the sales pace really slowing down, partly probably because of coronavirus. Now people are a little less worried about it maybe and less hoarding. They probably already have 100 pounds of pasta. So as we go in and just kind of look at the technicals here, there's a couple of things, not to mention we've got kind of a slightly worrisome market with a lot of tension around the world. So you've had a low here in the stock. So let's back things up a little bit and just look at this move that we've had in Costco on a weekly basis. This stock has ran quite well. We've had a little trouble there. But overall, you can see it's still kind of holding some of this support level right here from the past. So it's not too bad. The problem is going to be is if we continue to just kind of roll over at kind of this recent end at about 530. So if we go into kind of the daily, our big problem here is going to be maybe this 540, 530 range, because this is where we get some of these tops where we're getting some pressure in the stock. Overall, though, we've got some support right here at this 480 range. You can see the stock came in multiple times there and bounced. Even volume picked up a little bit in that zone. So right now, this pullback, could it be a buying opportunity? Absolutely. It could be like, hey, I want to nibble a little bit here at this spot. After earnings, but usually give it 3 to 5 days to digest the move, or split your position up into that 5-day range, so that way you can see if it keeps going down, that could be a little bit of a problem. But yeah, right here you can see we're holding support from a past resistance. There was the breakout, so we're still kind of doing okay. And if you kind of just look at the overall upward trend line, it's also coming in and looks okay. It's not too bad. So anyways, right here, as we look at some of these technicals, I think the stock is basing fairly well, and it's holding, and there's a lot of action around this 510 price range between the movements all around this area. That's where they're getting traded at. You've got some issues or action problem, resistance right around that 535 40 level. And then if it continues to go up, the 570 is going to be a little bit of a trouble spot as well. But nevertheless, the stock is pulling back a bit, but it's not anything too crazy, compared to the overall market. We are struggling a bit here with the market. It just continues to be acting weak. And I wonder if we kind of get out of this rut or slump, if maybe Costco would do a little bit better. So if we do continue to move to this upside, that should pick up some speed for the stock as well. So anyway, I'll show you how to play this on the option side in another video on the Traders Fly channel. So just check that out, and you can see on the other YouTube channel there that I have. You can also go to the website there and go to the blog section. We also post the videos directly there, all the different kind of strategies. Maybe there's a back ratio spread or a vertical spread. So I'm going to share with you some of the vertical spreads here as we get into that on the options front here in just a minute. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed this kind of quick analysis and insight. Feel free to subscribe, join the Discord channel. You can also request certain specific videos if you like, and I'll make some videos on them as I have time if they make kind of sense for the market condition. So anyway, those are some of the levels to watch. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, check out some of the other videos, and I will see you in the next video.